Hello everyone. Today we are going to see AWS API Gateway. AWS API Gateway is a managed service where you can design and deploy your APIs in a seamless way. It's absolutely important to protect your APIs once developed and deployed from unauthenticated access. AWS API Gateway provide set of options where it will help you to protect your API. So what are the options? The one of the option is setting up your API key and also usage plan. You can create a API key and you can also create a usage plan and you can associate them with your API so that you can control access to your API. In today's lecture, we will see how to create such key and how to create such usage plan and how to associate with your API. And also we will test the whole thing in Postman, client like a Postman. So let's get started. Hello guys, I am in AWS API Gateway Management Console where I have list of APIs. Today in today's demo, I would like to highlight on particular API, my product API. I have published a couple of videos on this API for the last 2 weeks, where I developed this API for a DynamoDB against a DynamoDB table, which I have like a product info, where I have exposed CRUD operations on DynamoDB. For that I have created this API. Okay, I request to go through those videos before watching this video so that you will get a picture. So this API contains some routes like products where I have a post method and also this path parameter product code where I have a couple of methods like get method and delete method. Okay. Today I'm going to explain about get method only. Currently I have item which I have only one item. Okay, if you notice I have only one item. Yes, 103, the product code 103. This item. If I have this get method which whenever the path parameter have the product ID, it will fetch such a product and it will show the complete product information. Yeah. So we can check this one. If I go to the stages for this one, I have exposed a dev stage for this, and if I expand the product code get method, I have this API invoke URL. Okay, so this is my complete URL where I can use it to fetch the information. So which I have here in the Postman, I have a get method. I copied and pasted the same URL where I passed 103 as a product ID. Okay, then if I hit enter, I get the product information. I get the success for 200 and the data comes nicely, the product code description, etc. Now this is open to anybody where anyone can access this URL and fetch this information. However, I would like to restrict this one. I would like to protect this one authenticated access. I want to create for that API gateway provide set of options where we can protect our APIs. So if you go here, you will find set of options here: usage plan, API keys, and client certificate, etc. etc. In today's lecture, we will create API keys and usage plan. Okay. Then we will see how to protect this API. Yeah. So let's head to the API keys section. Click API keys. Here, currently I don't have any API key. There is option here to create API key. Click API key. Let's give a nice name. So I'm going to give my product API key. Let's say, okay. I have two options, either auto generate or custom. I'm fine with auto generated key. So the default option is fine. Click save. Okay, my key has been created successfully. So the key is here. You can click show to view or hide. Okay, by default, it will do that. So this is the API key. Okay, the next thing, you need to create usage plan for it. So adding a API key is not enough. Still, you can get more control. How to, how the client will, how much request they can send, or what is the throttling and all. So still that can be controlled using usage plan. So you click usage plan and create a nice usage plan. Create usage plan for this, and you can create my product API usage plan. Yeah, throttling. You can limit the rate that users can call your API. It's not like open. You don't want, if you don't want to give open. It's ideally it's better to give some throttling limits. So the rate. What is rate? Enter the rate in a request per second. So how many requests you are allowing them to send per second. So the client can call you. So this is, it's a good setting. You can control the access, so you can set the rate. Let's say I put 100. Let's say 100 requests, they can send it per second. This is what my rate. And there is another option, burst. So how many concurrent requests in a second? So how many number of concurrent requests the client can make your call? So let's say 50 in a second. So they can 50 request 50 number of requests they can send it concurrently. Otherwise it will be bursted. Okay. Also, you will have a quota setting, like how many number of requests you want to receive from your client in a monthly basis. That's a month, a week, or day. Let's say a month. For example, we'll put 1,000. I want 1,000 requests from this client. So these are the settings you can create for the usage plan. Then after you decide everything and put the value and click to create usage plan. Now you have created usage plan. Now you need to associate your usage plan with that key. Select this one. Also associated stages. You will see the stage, the stage API where you hosted. You need to associate the stage with this your API plan. So click add API stage. I have a API, my product API. This is my API. I have set up dev environment for this, so dev stage. Okay, so I select dev stage. Method double throttling for the time being. I don't want it. Still, you want to control it in method level. I'm fine with the API level. Okay, add usage plan. Now you created usage plan and you associated the stage. Also, you need to associate that API created API key. So click the associate API key, add API key, and add existing key. Select this type and click the one you created. Okay, my API key, add API key. So you created API key and you created API usage plan and you associated the usage plan with the API. The stage and API. There is one thing left. You need to assign that. You need to set your method to restrict only to receive the request from only that contain the API key. For that, click my product API, navigate to that get method, and this is the method request. This section is receiving the request from your client. Okay, so this method request should contain the API key. So you need to force the request, to receive to client to send the API key. So click the method request and edit, and you have option here, API key required. Check this box. Okay, API key required, and click save. That's it. So you set up everything properly. Okay, you create everything and you also associate this one. One final thing left, you need to, because you change this thing in the API, you need to deploy the changes to the dev stage. So deploy the API, click the stage, click dev and deploy. Now you have completed everything. You created API key, usage plan, and also you associated them with your stages, and you also edited your request, your method, Your method is set up with expect the API key from your client. Now we can test this environment. Come back to Postman. Now I still keep the same request. Okay, I am trying to send. Click send. Yeah, now you get message forbidden. Okay, which means the request failed because it's forbidden, because you need to pass the API key. You get the 403 forbidden error. So what you need to do, you need to pass the API key. The request headers, click X hyphen API key. So once you deploy your API, you need to provide this API key. You need to distribute that API key to the client, to your client. So click API key. For me, I have API key here. Come back to Postman and paste it. Save. Send it. Congrats. Now your API is back to work. Now this time your API is protected, and you set up API key, and only the client who have the access to your API key be able to access your API. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Thanks everyone. I will see you next time. Bye.